Today I want to show how I made this peanut carob chocolate. It's a good cocoa alternative. I've been living on healthy foods without heating for the last 2.5 years. I've been benefited from these and got rid of many chronic diseases. I want to help others as well with good recipes. This is one such item. So for blending today I will be using the Wonder Chef mini blender. It is also known as Bullet, Nutri Blender depending on the brand name. And as you might know, this is for the powder and the small jar is meant for that. This is the larger jar and it comes with the blender blade. But because the quantity is less, I will be using the blender blade and the powder jug so that it is smaller and easier to process. So I have taken some roasted peanuts and I will be adding carob powder to this. This doesn't happen in one go. You may have to remove it once in a while. Make sure that the powder is moving to all the sides within the blender and re-blend it. So this will take a few attempts until it is ground fully, and then you can see the oiliness in the peanuts. So as needed, we will use the spatula to make sure that it is moving around well. I am adding some dates, 2 of them to be precise, de-seeded of course, and also I will be adding about 1 teaspoon of honey. The reason why I am adding both honey and dates is because with the peanuts the taste of honey will be better, whereas the dates will help come together to make the ingredients into a particular consistency and shape them. If you are enjoying the video, can you please click on the like button, and we will blend them again. So after the blending is done, it is something like this, a smooth mixture that can be molded in any shape. We can make these chocolates in different forms. Either you could make just spheres such as this, balls, and then leave them, or if you have silicone molds such as these are very convenient, easy to remove when it is done, and they come in different sizes and shapes. So I could fill these, then allow them to settle and then dry for a while. About 1 hour should be more than adequate. Alternatively, if you find any interesting plastic pieces, molds that you can get from packing materials or anything, you can make use of that as well. This is something that I got for a mini vacuum cleaner that I've got to clean up my stuff. So this is the mini vacuum cleaner I've got. It will just have batteries and then clean up things, and I could use it to clean up any stuff. So you could wash it and then clean these and use these as the molds as well. So I'll do that and I'll come back to you to show the final product. So what is good about this? Why are we making it? It's a very good alternative to regular cocoa based chocolates. It has got cholesterol free high protein because of the peanuts, and it is certified by the American Heart Association as heart healthy. It has got lots of potassium and magnesium which help control the blood pressure, and carob is caffeine free unlike cocoa, and it is also not addictive in nature. Now it's tasting time. This is something I really enjoyed making this today. Peanut carob chocolates. Although carob belongs to the category of cocoa, it has got its own taste. It may look like cocoa, but it doesn't have the same taste as cocoa. And the mold that I've got to make this interesting gift item, you could find some molds available within your home and use this recipe to make such items. Looks wise it is good, but what about the taste? It's nice. So obviously it has got a strong peanut flavor. You know, unlike cashews, roasted peanuts have a very strong flavor of their own, and the peanut flavor is definitely there. Carob is relatively mild compared to cocoa. So this combination of peanut and carob I think has worked out very well. The carob mildly tasting and is a bit sweeter also compared to cocoa. So it's quite delicious. It's a little bit chewy, nice overall. I enjoyed it. I think this is an item definitely you should try at home. It's not so difficult as you saw. With any normal blender also you should be able to do this at home. I would strongly advise that you make this chocolate, enjoy it and gift it to friends. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. Quite creamy, and the smell is very delightful. Very nice really. So I need to try this now. Look at that, how creamy it is.